Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking over to this video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about reductions. Yes, reductions and contractions. How words get reduced or gets contracted to form maximum reduced sound of words or phrases. So today we're going to be working on that. In the previous couple of videos, I talked about how words are getting reduced in fast speech. So today, in this American accent training, we're going to be working on reductions and contractions. So let's say, suppose you have a given sentence. Do you want to? Okay? Do you want to? Now, what's the basic fundamental is that want to, when these two words are combined together, it becomes wanna, wanna in American English. And do you, these two words will combine together to form as something which spells, which is pronounced like Jew, 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 and want to, wanna, Juwanna, Juwanna, Juwanna. Do you want to go there? Do you want to try it? For example, do you want to try it? Now, as for the fundamentals of American English, the funda of American accent is that Americans are not going to be pronouncing each and every word individually. So here what they're going to do is they're simply going to connect the words. Do you becomes you wanna. Now try it. Here what will happen is basically, so whenever there's a combination of TR sound, it will be pronounced like CHR. Chur, 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 chur. Try. And here T will become held. Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it? So what will after will happen is it pronounced like Juwanna, Juwanna, Juwanna. Do you want to try it? This is how to speak American English. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, then do like the video by hitting that like button, smashing that like button, and also do let me know in the comments. What else do you need to know for the American accent training? What future contents I have to bring out for you? By the time, take care and bye-bye.